Hello, friends and neighbors in Clearfield City. My name is Ryan Garrett, and I'm a leader in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in this area. We wanted to extend an invitation to you to join with us. It's Saturday, 9 a.m. We're going to be welcoming members of our community to this beautiful building to help you understand who we are and what we believe. We want to answer any questions that you might have about who we are and what we believe. And then on Saturday night, we're going to be having a church meeting to celebrate the life and teachings of Jesus Christ, as well as Sunday morning at 10 a.m. That's December 3rd. And we want to make sure that our community friends and neighbors know that all are welcome to join with us. So hope to see you there. Thank you.